I'll get a big chunk of it. Oh, hang on. What is that? It's not that, but I think I can see a ring. Yep.
Brothers of the mind rejoice. Sing, sing, swing with me. Raise your pick and raise your voice. Sing, sing, sing with me. Down and down into the deep. Who knows what we'll find beneath? Diamonds, rubies, gold and more, hidden in the mountain store.
Today, as you can see, I'm in a bit of a park area. It's actually a off-leash dog park, but it's situated right next to the water. And behind me, just over here, is a powerboat club, and just over there is a boat ramp, and there's another park right next to it with a lot of picnickers there. So I'm banking that this was a very popular spot in the days gone by, and hopefully there's some relics and perhaps some old coins here to be found. Okay, so we've got our first target here. So that's a nice consistent 1920. It's not very deep down, so it's probably not an old coin, but we'll have a dig anyway. Well, it is a off-leash dog park, so that's not unexpected. Okay, so lesson learned. You should always just check to make sure that you haven't missed anything. Oh, see, there's something still there. Okay, so it's just a little piece of metal, probably the end of one of those dog clips that's broken off. Okay, so this is our second target that I'm interested in. This time we've got a 21-22. It's a little bit deeper, so that's a bit more promising. Okay, so the plug is out. Let's get the pinpointer. Okay, nothing happening there. Just give it a bit more juice. Okay, so you just need to dig a bit more out. I'm getting a little bit closer. Just got to be careful, I don't want to scrape it if it is a coin. Okay, we're close, and I can see something shiny, but oh, it's big. Big because it's a can. Great. Oh well, sometimes you get suckered by those cans, giving off a good signal. Alright, let's fill it back in and try again. Okay, so I've just got a signal of 17, so just to keep myself amused, I know that that's usually a 50-cent piece on the Equinox 600, so just so I come away with something for today, I thought I'd give it a dig. Might help if I turn the pinpointer on. Okay, I get it. Alrighty, so what have we got here? Oh, that's nice. It's a Charles and Diana 50-cent piece. So that's not too bad. Oh, I'm glad I actually stopped to dig that. Oh, there you go. I'll come away with something. Anyway, I'm still got lots to do, so let's keep going. We've got a good signal here of 21, 22, 23. They're the sort of numbers I like to see. So let's just zero in. Okay, and it's fairly deep, so I'll get the spade out and we'll have a dig. Okay, let's turn the plug. That was a big one. Okay, now let's get the pinpoint up. It's getting close. Yep, get another tool. Move that. Okay. I'm just trying to keep most of the dirt in the hole. Okay, so surprise, surprise, it's a bit of aluminium. Yeah, it's a bit of aluminium of some description. Damn. Gives off such good signals. Oh, okay, I think we've still got something in there. Where's the pinpointer? Oh, swap hands. Oh. I'll get a big chunk of it. Oh, hang on. What is that? It's not that, but I think I can see a ring. Yep. Oh, look at that. Wow. Yep. Oh, that's not too bad. It's very tiny though. I'm just going to see what signal that's giving off by itself. Yep, 21. Okay, so maybe that was the target after all. I don't know if I hit it, it's a bit bent, but that is tiny as, it's real tiny. That's my little finger. Oh, that's alright, isn't it? And it's got some stones in it too, so I'll have to have a look at that. I'll take that back home and clean it up and have a good look at it. Oh well, at least we ended on a good note today. The rest of the day has been pretty much of a bust. Sun's just about down, so I think I might call it quits. Okay, helps if you have the camera turned on. I was just saying that I couldn't help myself. I just had to stop again because I got another good signal. 21, 22, 23. Can't pass that up, so I'm going to give it a dig. Okay, the plug is out. Please don't disappoint. I've dug a heap of rubbish today and I simply cannot fit any more into my pouch. Don't like the look of that. Don't like the look at that at all. That looks like a bit of aluminium. Hang on, that's good. Another tool. Yeah. Where'd that go? Oop. Come on. There it is. Oh, yeah, okay. A very squashed up bottle top. Great. I'll add it to the collection. Yeah, as I was saying, I think I might call it quits, but I'm pretty happy with what we got at the end there, so it's not a total loss. Alright, I'll just clean this hole up and we'll get going. Okay folks, so we're back home now. It's night time, so we're finished in the parks. Those two parks I did, one was the off the leash dog area and the other one was more of a picnicking area right on the beach. Now bit of a mixed bag of goodies tonight, if you can call them goodies, but I did make a comment that I had a lot of rubbish, and yeah, a few of these cans kept tricking me, giving really good signals. Everything here gave good signals, otherwise I wouldn't have dug it. And even little things like this, just little bits of foil, you know, really disappointing, but anyway. And of course the bottle tops bent over, giving great signals. Yep, typical. But have a look at this, like digging a great big hole for something that big. So, you know, definitely sensitive devices, those Equinoxes. Yeah, a bit disappointing. This great big chunk here, yeah, I thought I was onto something good, and I could just see, you know, a little tiny piece of that, and that it was, you know, square in shape, but then I realised it was something huge, so yeah, it wasn't great finding that. Off leash dog area, so that was the first thing I found, and another little tiny thing here. Yeah, amazing how it picks those up. But obviously a little collar tag. There is a phone number on there, so I'll find the owner of Billy. I will send them a message and let them know that I've got that, and I'll get that back to them. It's still in good condition. You can still use it. It's not broken or anything, so they might be happy with that. That's just a little bit of a junkie. It's not much at all. Just some weird bits and pieces. And you know, some spendables. I really wasn't looking for spendables. I was looking for some old coins, but you know, obviously a bit of a byproduct. You get that. And yeah, you can't be disappointed to find a few dollars here and there. 1 cent piece. I thought I was in the right area when I found that, but nothing else. And that was at 50 cent with the Charles and Diana on it. So yeah, okay, that was okay. Big sinker. But the find of the day was obviously this little ring. It's tiny, so it's obviously a child's ring, but it's got a bit of weight about it, so I'm thinking it's sterling silver. There is some hallmarks on it. They're very tiny. I can't read them, so I'll have to get a loop or something like that to have a really good look at it. But there's a couple of stones in there as well, and they're all in there. It just appears to be really like handcrafted, and it's really heavy, so yeah, I'm a little bit excited about that one. It was fairly deep down in that hole too, so it was a good 4 or 5 inches down. So it's been there a while, and yeah, I'm thinking it's sterling silver. So anyway, we'll investigate that. When I find out, I'll post another comment up or something like that, and I'll let you know. But yeah, that was a good find. So that topped the evening off, and didn't really come away with empty hands, so you know, you can't complain. The fact that I got out and was able to have a swing when some just aren't able to do that at the moment, so I'm thankful for that. So yeah, that's the lot for today's swing. Thanks for watching.
I am a dwarf and I'm digging a hole. Diggy, diggy hole. Diggy, diggy hole.
Okay, I think I've got around it. Let's dig it out. Alright. Yep, okay. Bust again.